Okay, we're back. Part two of using Matlab a lot like a calculator. We got into formats just a second ago. I'm not going to go through them all, but I'm going to do something here. To help format, I want to show you all the possibilities. So short and long, you guys saw. Compact and loose, I did that because I prefer compact, so suppresses extra line feeds. There's engineering format. There's general format. They're kind of close to short and long. Engineering format. Oh, this is exponential format. Long E and short E and long E are exponential. Short eng and long eng are engineering, which means that the power of 10 is always a multiple of 3. 0, 3, 6, 9, and so forth. Hexadecimal. This will always print a positive in front of a positive number. Usually we just omit the positive. Banking, dollars and cents, 2 digits. Rational, that's a good one actually. So that's an interesting one. What is a rational approximation to pi? There you go. Rational just means fractions. If you want to see the number, so it looks like a fraction, there you go. And okay, to convert a fraction, by the way, if I just type, if I go back to format short and type the answer, okay, it doesn't give me the rational, it gives me the decimal approximation. Sometimes you get an answer and you can't convert it back this way, especially when you do symbolic calculations. If you have something that's a fraction, for example, you can always convert it. The way to convert this is double of 355 to a pretty good approximation that equals pi. Okay. Rational can be kind of interesting. What is the fraction look like? Okay, that covers formatting. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, let's see, 2 times 2, 2 minus 3, a negative number, 3 plus, we've already done addition, division, 2 divided by 3, 0.667. 2 goes into, think of this backslash, it's called a left divide. And it's like a goes into, like Jethro Bodine of the Beverly Hillbillies. 2 goes into 2 times, 1 time. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and so forth. Okay. 2 goes into 3 should be 1.5 times. So that's the difference. We will need this when we work with matrices. A times B does not equal B times A when we're working with matrices. In ordinary scalars, everything we've done so far is with scalars. With scalars, A times B equals B times A. With matrices, that's no longer true. So in matrices, we're going to need this left divide. And this is called right divide, by the way, the /. Okay, and there's also integer division. There's mod and rem, modulo. This is the remainder after division. For positive numbers, it's the same as the remainder. So by the way, it gives you help how to use this command right there. And then it has more help. So modulo of 5 divided by 3, I think that's the direction it goes, should be 2. Remainder of 5 divided by 3 is also 2. If it's a negative number, oops, negative, you get a little different answers. You divide 5 by 3, and 3 goes into negative 5 one time with a negative 2 remainder. Modulo is 3 goes into negative 6 two times with a positive 1 remainder. That's the way they look at it. Little different. We can also do ceiling and floor. Ceiling, floor, ceiling of 4/3 is going to be 2. That it rounds up. In other words, floor of 5/3 is going to be 1. It rounds down. Fix takes the integer part, 1. Fix of negative 5. Okay. Why is it doing that? Okay, fix of negative 5 is the integer part is negative 1. So 3 goes into negative, 3 times negative 1 is 3, plus the negative 2 remainder, which we got up here. So fix and remainder kind of go together. And then, let's see, what else? Round rounds to the nearest. Rounding of 5/3 will go to the upper one, and rounding of 4/3 will go to the lower one. Working with exponents. 1. Okay, I'm going to pause for a question. What do I, oh, 1e, excuse me. I want to put E3. You can use a capital E or a lowercase e, by the way. What number will this give me? Let's see if you got it right. 1,000. Think of this as 1 times 10 raised to the 3rd power. 1, power. Here's why we use E. E reminds us of exponent. E stands for this stuff in the middle. It also does something else. When I hit return, think about what this answer will give you. Pause to think. Pause your video for a second. Think about what it's going to give you. We're back. Here's what it gives you. I'm going to hit return. That. Did you get that right? E does something else. E acts like doing this with the number, putting parentheses around it. And I hit the wrong key. I hit the arrow keys instead of the shift key. There we go. So E does this also. It's like putting parentheses around your exponential number. Number times a power of 10. It's like putting parentheses around it. So now we get the correct answer. Okay, so that's what E does. It is the way calculators are programmed to handle uh, exponential notation. Okay, I'm going to end this video here and come back with how do you name variables, variable names. Start with that.